Today I will be making garlic paratha. So it will be made up of whole wheat flour. So it is very healthy. I am taking about 2 cups of wheat flour. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add half a teaspoon of oil. To this we will be adding about 1 cup of water. Add the water very slowly while we knead the flour. After we have we'll cover it with a muslin cloth and we'll keep it for about 15 to 30 minutes. Now we will prepare the masala for our garlic roti. First of all, add half a teaspoon of salt. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Take 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Now take 1 teaspoon of khatai powder, raw mango powder, or you chaat masala powder. To this we'll be adding 2 spoons of desi ghee. So this desi ghee is made in home. I will share with you the recipe, so please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. To this we'll be adding garlic paste, 1 teaspoon. So to this add finely chopped garlic. Then I'll be mixing all. So now we will be applying this on our rotis. So this is the roti dough that we have put aside. Make the roti balls like this. So before you roll the rotis, apply little oil to the base where you are going to roll. You will be adding the dry wheat flour. You need to take the roller and also apply dry wheat flour on this. You take your roti ball and then you are going to roll it. So in this step we just elongate. To this we will be applying the paste of black pepper and garlic as much as you like. Once you have applied this, now we are going to make the layer. You just take this like this, you put it this way, okay? You lift it a bit, then you put it this way, okay? Now you are going to roll it so that the garlic layer are visible to you. Now you are going to press this on top of it. Just apply the dry wheat flour. Now we are going to roll this. So in the excitement, I think I have applied a lot of masala. So this is how you roll the roti. You can see all the garlic paste, and also you can see different layers. Now we will fry this roti. So in order to fry the rotis, first of all let us add a little oil. Now to this we will be adding our roti. So I can smell the garlic flavor. So this is the layer where I have applied the paste. We cook this for about 3 minutes each on each side. We turn it over to the other side. You can see that the masala has been cooked now. Finally you can see how our roti looks like. So it smells really good, and please try this recipe at home. I'm sure that you guys will love it. If you like this recipe, please like, share and comment any recipes that you would want us to make. Like our videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for all your support. Take care.